Hey guys, I hope everything's going well. So I decided to make a video reacting to biology memes. And so in the future I'll make videos reacting to other kinds of memes, but for right now we're going to stick with biology. So let's get into this. Me, casually staining my gel with Kumasi Brilliant Blue. Kumasi stain on my lab coat. I am inevitable. Okay, so I can see how this could happen, but honestly, I've used Kumasi stain a lot in biochemistry and other classes that I've had so far, and honestly, I haven't stained any of my clothes or anything like that yet. I'm sure if I continue to use that stain, or any kind of stain actually, eventually it's going to happen. Now, what I have had stains on, my chemistry goggles, the splash goggles, I don't know what it is, but there's something green on there around the edges of it. It's like, I'm glad that I had those splash goggles in, so whatever that is on those and not in my eyes, you know? So, but yeah, I haven't had this issue. The first cell that underwent mitosis must have been like accurate. Alright, number 3. Me, biology facts, my friends and family. Honestly, yeah, this is me. There's just so much stuff to learn and to know, and it's like, man, I just want to share this with everyone. It's so interesting, and it just gets me excited thinking about all of it. That's why I'm going to be a teacher in the future. I get to, every day, share about biology or whatever else, other subject I'm teaching. I'm able to teach chemistry, physics, and earth science as well. So, it'll be a great time. Enantiomers be like sort of accurate. Alright, so enantiomers are molecules that are non-superimposable mirror images, okay? So this isn't exactly 100% accurate because it's just a 2D image, right? But molecules are three-dimensional, and so you can have a mirror image of a molecule that will not it can't be superimposable, so you can't put the one molecule on top of the other and it look the same. So that's what an enantiomer is. But almost accurate. Decent meme. Proteins can't be adorable. They aren't even alive. Kinesin. Observe. Okay, kinesin is a really awesome protein. I'm sure you've seen a video of it at some point, but right after this meme, and between this one and the next one, I'm going to, for sure, share a picture of what that looks like. Or share a video, I should say. It's pretty cool. It's pretty adorable, I would say. I agree with this meme. Aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. ATP efficiency. Yes. Okay, anaerobic respiration. It produces enough ATP to continue to have processes going on, but it is not sustainable. Something cannot continue to exist just on anaerobic respiration itself. So, this is a very wholesome, accurate meme. Indeed. Pikachu exists. Pikachu. Okay, so if you don't know, there is actually a protein that scientists named Pikachu, and it was named after Pikachu. And the reason for that, I'm probably going to leave a article down in the description below, but basically Pikachu moves super fast, and that's the main reason why they named it Pikachu after Pikachu. It's pretty great. Something else, there is actually a protein named Sonic Hedgehog. If you don't believe me, go research it for yourself. Scientists are people too. We like to have fun. Proteins I don't care about. Protein of interest. My overrun gel. Oh no. Okay, so I've never actually had this happen to me, but I can imagine that would be fairly frustrating. I'm sure if I continue to run gels over and over again, eventually that's going to happen. And of course, it's not it's not any of the proteins you don't care about. It will be that one specific protein of your interest, and you still have to start the whole experiment over again. I think this is probably accurate. Doctors earn money from treating patients. White blood cells. You guys are getting paid? Okay, yeah. White blood cells, before the fall, before the corruption of our bodies, they should have been working 100% fantastic. And because of the fall, because of how sin has corrupted us, they're not working as efficiently as everything. They're not working as efficiently as they should be. So it is good that we have doctors that study the human body and know exactly what's going on within us, so we can develop medicine that helps the white blood cells out where they aren't able to function as best as they should have. So, but yeah, how would you pay a white blood cell? Not sure. Alright, we've made it to meme 10 of 16. Okay, so the view of a cell by a lab manager, a med lab technician, a microbiologist, a cell biologist, a chemist, and a physicist. Alright, so obviously I'm not all of these things, but I am studying, like I said before, to become a high school science teacher, and I'm able to teach biology, chemistry, physics, and earth science. This seems like it would be accurate. I could see this. Of course, a cell biologist would know the very intricate details of a cell, whereas a chemist wouldn't need to know as much, and a physicist, not as much either. A microbiologist, whenever I did stuff regarding cell cultures or whatever, that's exactly what it looked like, and we never went farther than that doing anything with it. It wasn't necessary for what we were using the cells for. But yeah, this is pretty accurate, I think. What you got there, Jim? Transport proteins. Nice. It's because it's a cell wall. I get it. Is that a semi-permeable membrane? I guess it is semi-permeable. There's bars there, but some proteins, or some molecules, or whatever, needs a little bit more help getting through that membrane. They can't fit through on their own. So, accurate. Bacterial wall. Bacteriophage. Yeah, that is either a very strong dog or that was a very weak wall. I'm impressed. I think I'm more impressed by this dog than I would be a bacteriophage, because that's what it's made for, and it's able to get through a bacterial wall pretty easily. That shouldn't happen. When you go from studying immunology to studying microbiology, change team. It could seem like this. There's a lot of things that you would study in microbiology that are very harmful to the human body, or just harmful in general. So, it's not completely accurate to say that you're completely changing teams, because there's a microbiome that lives within us. So, there's helpful bacteria, there's beneficial bacteria, and then, of course, there is harmful bacteria. So, you're considering changing teams when you're studying microbiology. But, pretty great meme. Harmless allergen enters body, immune system. Now that is an Avengers level threat. Yes, it's so sad. Thankfully, I don't have too bad of allergies, but it's so strange how just something harmless can enter the body and the immune system is just like, oh my, that shouldn't be here. We need to do something about that. And you get some terrible allergic reactions or symptoms from that. And it's very odd. It's very odd indeed. Frogs exist. Biology students. Okay, if you haven't, you need to go check out Flex Tape and see the commercial for that. It is absolutely hilarious. And that's where this is coming in, where they got this picture for the meme. It's hilarious. You need to see it. But yes, this is very accurate. It seems like in my high school, I went to a career technical school for the last 2 years, so I didn't actually participate in this because I was in an engineering program. And they didn't offer the exact same science classes. But at my school, instead of dissecting frogs, you would dissect cats. So, in either case, biology students dissecting animals tends to happen. I don't know that all of them are quite looking like that, but you've got a few of those people. And oh my goodness, his first word, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. No. As a future high school science teacher here, I would have to say this phrase is probably the one phrase that would actually get me really frustrated. Mainly I'm frustrated because a lot of people say the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, but no one can explain what that even means. Why do we say that it's the powerhouse of the cell? How does it function? Why is it important in the body? How do we discover that it's the powerhouse of the cell? What research went into that? No one knows these things, but everyone knows, quote unquote, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Oh boy, not a fan. Alright, so that's going to do it for reacting to biology memes. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe for future videos. I plan to react to other memes, including physics, engineering, chemistry memes, just any memes out there, especially ones related to science or education, because I will be a science educator. So, yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, be sure to leave that down below, and again, subscribe and like this video if you liked what you see. I hope you have a great day, and God bless you.